Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Performance testing in Postman, a comprehensive guide. Postman, a widely used tool for API development and testing, has introduced several new performance testing features that empower developers and testers to evaluate the performance of their APIs effectively. In this tutorial, we'll explore these features and provide code examples to demonstrate how to leverage them. What is performance testing? Performance testing is a type of testing to determine how a system performs under a specific workload. It helps identify bottlenecks, ensure the application can handle expected load, and assess system behavior under stress. New performance testing features in Postman. Postman has introduced several new features to facilitate performance testing. 1. Collection runner. You can run collections of requests with different configurations and visualize the performance metrics. 2. New load testing options. Postman now supports load testing scenarios to simulate multiple users. 3. Integration with Newman, the command line tool that allows you to run Postman collections, can be used for automated performance testing in CI/CD pipelines. 4. Performance metrics visualization. Postman provides insights into response times, request counts, and error rates. Setting up performance testing in Postman. Step 1. Install Postman. Make sure you have the latest version of Postman installed. You can download it from the Postman website, https://www.postman.com/downloads. Step 2. Create a collection. 1. Open Postman and create a new collection. 2. Add requests to your collection that you want to test for performance. Step 3. Write tests for performance metrics. For each request, you can write tests to check the response time and other metrics. Here's a sample test script you can add to your request. JavaScript / sample test script to check performance metrics. PM test, response time is less than 200 ms, function. PM expect, PM response. Response time, .to.be. below, 200. Step 4, run the collection with the collection runner. 1. Click on the collection name and then click on the Run button. 2. In the collection runner, you can configure the number of iterations and the delay between requests. 3. Click Start Run to execute the performance test. Step 5, analyze performance metrics. After running the collection, Postman will provide a summary of the performance metrics. Total run time, total time taken to execute all requests. Average response time, average time taken for responses. Success/failure rate, number of successful requests versus failed ones. Example, load testing with Newman. For more advanced scenarios, you can use Newman, the command line companion for Postman. To perform load testing using Newman, follow these steps. 1. Install Newman. You can install Newman globally via npm bash npm install gnewman. 2. Export your collection. In Postman, export your collection by clicking on the 3 dots next to the collection name and selecting Export. 3. Run load tests with Newman. Use the following command to run your collection with Newman. Bash Newman run your _collection.json_n100. Here, n100 specifies that you want to run the collection 100 times, simulating multiple users. 4. Analyze the output. Newman will output the results directly in the terminal, showing you detailed information about each request, including response times and any failures. Advanced performance testing scenarios. 1. Using environment variables, you can define environment variables to simulate different users or scenarios. To dynamic data with data files, Newman allows you to use JSON or CSV files to provide dynamic data for your tests, making it easier to simulate various inputs. 3. Integration with CI/CD pipelines. You can integrate Newman with CI/CD tools such as Jenkins or Circle CI to automate performance testing as part of your deployment process. Conclusion: Postman has significantly enhanced its capabilities for performance testing, making it easier for developers and testers to validate API performance. By leveraging the collection runner, Newman, and various performance testing options, you can ensure your APIs meet performance requirements. With these tools at your disposal, you can conduct thorough performance testing and ensure your applications can handle the expected load. Happy testing!